1X just unveiled their new 25 Degrees of Freedom robotic hands for the Neo platform, which represent one of the biggest hardware upgrades ever made to the platform. These include fully actuated fingers, a highly flexible thumb, an articulated palm, and even a 3-degree of freedom wrist. Together, they allow movements that are remarkably close to a real human hand, driven by a sophisticated closed-loop tendon system. High-resolution tactile sensing across the fingertips and surfaces picks up normal force, shear, and contact location, letting the robot feel slip, texture, and pressure in real time. Furthermore, the low-ratio tendon drive and force transparency turn every interaction into rich training data. By collecting high-quality manipulation data at scale from real homes, 1X accelerates their world models and embodied AI. What most people do not realize is that these new hands are IP68 waterproof, completely food safe, and built to endure millions of cycles for a much larger purpose. The brain of the operation is the 1X Neocortex platform, powered by an NVIDIA Jetson Thor processor, capable of churning out massive AI computations at up to 2070 FP4 tera floating point operations per second. It is paired with 4 beamforming microphones that allow it to hear, locate, and naturally converse with you using a built-in large language model. All of this runs on an 842 watt-hour battery that gives the robot about 4 hours of active working time before it autonomously walks back to its dock for a rapid recharge. As for the price, securing your own physical AI assistant will cost $20,000 for outright ownership, or you can opt for a $499 monthly subscription.